let's say between range something like that, between 0 and 10. So you do something, and now you want to check if it's between 11 to 20. So, and after that you want to check for other range. So you can't use here else, because else divide make you think with two options. With elif, so you can elif, sorry, so you can elif, not else if. Okay, you can type x greater equal greater, let's say 10, and x less than okay 20. Okay, then you can print, let's say, it depends what you want. So it's let's say it's 11 till 20. Okay, now you can check if the number, okay, are not in this range. So you can check if the number is within this range. Now you can also check, okay, if the number is greater than 20 and less than, let's say, 40, yeah, and do something else. Okay, print blah blah blah. Okay, so in this way you can not see x. So in this way, as you can see, you are looking to the value of x, and you are interested to process based on the range of the value of x in 3 ranges. So you can't do that with else. Okay, if you want to write that with else, so you will write more code. So you will write if x greater than ta ta ta, do this, else then you start if, and so on. So this will make your code more not organized very well. So if you use it to when there is a time that you can want to check more options. And please go ahead and make hands-on practice yourself with hands-on 06. So now let us talk about the loops. After that, we will make a break, okay? Simple break. So loop in Python give you the opportunity to iterate over collection, as we will see later in list, in array, in tuple, in dictionary, and in advanced data type. And they are very fast, okay? So actually there's 2 loops that I recommend to work with. They called for and while. There is 2 loops. There is a different way to work with that loops, but the most common way is to use the for loop and the while that we will see later. So loops are powerful codes that can repeat things over and over very quickly. Sorry, just I need to. So let me show you how you work with for. For is a way to loop over things, so to process the same block of code several times. Let us say that you are interested to print hello 5 times. So you do that by starting with for, then you define a variable, and you put it. You say that if the variable is in range for, range is a function that if I pass to it a number, for example 4 or 5 or 10, so it will bring me back, will give me back those numbers that start from 0 till here till 3. And if I want to process, okay, the 4 using variable which is from range 4 to 6, so I type from 4 to 5, so I type 4 6 6. Okay, so in this way I can process things. So let me copy this code to save time. Okay, and let us say that I type something like this. So, and print it. So as you can see, I print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how it's happened? So actually the variable number n is starting from 0 to 4. And within this loop, I need to process the body of the loop. This is called the body of the loop. So I can write here, print, for example, let us say ta. Okay. Now I run it again. So as you can see, okay. So what I got here, 0 and this line, 1 and this line, 2 and this line, because I wanted to print in each time a number and a line. So I can use that to organize my code in such scenario where I need to process a lot of instructions. So this is one of the examples. So if for example, this is a good example that I put here. Now, if I go, you have it in the Word document. So let us say that I want to summarize the values between 7 till 9. So how can I do that? Sometimes the 7 and the 9 are not giving to me. I need to import that. So this is the way we run a loop with a variable. I can choose to work here with X, with any variable I want, but not a reserved word in Python. For example, I can't say here for math, okay? I can't say, I need to choose a variable that are not exist in the Python, okay? So for X in range 7 to, okay? So I can add X to my sum. So my sum, okay, start with 0, and each time the loop are running, in each time, in each step, I add the value of X. So let me type here the value of X, okay, print, okay, the value of X, and let's see what's happened. Let me clear output here. If I run the code, then you can see print T. Okay, let me clear here. I like clear out around the code. So as you can see, so now X start with 7. I have added 7 to the sum. It started by 0, so 7 plus 0 is 7. And the next time X will be 8. So I will add 8 to 7, so it's 15, and so on until I got the final result, which is let's say sum equal, and can type something like that. Clear output, run code. So as you can see, so the sum is 24. I can also print in each iteration, okay? Print in each iteration the sum. Equal sum. This is a handy way also to print the total sum. Let us say total sum is going to be this. So if I run, We got it.